Airstream, Airstream blank slate. All that work. What is it? 6, 7 days now? 6 days? All that work just basically to get to a blank slate now? Oh, first like new thing added into the Airstream. I'd say all the wires are new. We redid the electrical, took like a day or so. Not like a full 24 hours, not like a full work day, but during the course of one day, we got the electrical done. I mean, during the course of almost 2 days, let's be honest. Getting the panels back on, taking them off, those are like on separate days. Today, painting, as you can see, doesn't look like too much, but I went and got more things. 400 more rivets, and that little pack right there of the 400 is all that's left. I said, I had some help today. I had a sister and her kids come, and I said, fill in all these little holes. They're not structural, they don't need to be filled, but I got a lot of rivets, so let's fill them up. And I probably shouldn't have done that, because they're almost all gone. We filled in these areas. One of the things that could happen in the future, this one is going to be covered. That's mostly covered, probably to the line. That is covered. This one is going to be open. So there is a chance I print an aluminum print picture and I can replace this aluminum with a picture. Totally acceptable. I may do that. I did fill in a few gaps since painting, so I got to paint over that. So that one was filled. There's a little hole there, I mean, for electrical or for other things. One there, one there, one big one there. As you can see, here's an old print, fire damaged and all. That was sitting around, and so we used it, and we'll paint over it here pretty soon. That was literally just finished. Hole there, so it has been patched up. And this is the big creation for the day by Jay. We are not going to paint that beautiful thing, and we are not going to paint this. And I'll work on a repolished job on them, and it's going to be a thing of beauty. This whole thing is going to be a thing of beauty, but I was thinking about how after all those days we came here to do the back. Good advice was to redo everything, and ripped out the floor, new insulation, ripped out the walls, new insulation, put the walls back, put the floor back, and now we're basically at square one. We've got repainted. I mean, it was painted, but it was bad, fire damaged in parts and dirty in other, and here we go. We are at it feels like square one, but really what's left? We got the frames to fit the tool chests. The tool chest will just sit over there, and then I already yesterday bought the wood that will go for the closets and over there for the walls where the cube system storage system is going to hang on to. So I mean, we got a wood piece, and then what is not chest will have wood on each side, and then we got the desk. So and then I mean, what else? I mean, we got to put the fridge in. That's not a huge project. Rewiring the electrical, obviously, the ends is a project. So there are certainly still a few, and to be honest, it's gonna look like 15-day project is my guess, is what I would say. And we've had a bunch of help. I should total it up. I mean, we're at like at least 70 man hours in just to get it back to normal. The rest of it should be like 30. Maybe more. I don't know. Not too bad. Not super quick. 15 days is a decent turnaround. There's a lot of hours in those days. full-time by me pretty much every day except for Saturday and Sunday. So that was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Monday. 7 days. 7 days we're looking at from me. And then a couple days from other, I don't know, probably 4 other days. So I don't know. There's your look. Back to the very beginning. So it's going to be changing pretty rapidly now. After all this, things are going to change quickly. This was a slow few days, I suppose. And the AC has been working pretty darn good in there now. It was 98 today easily. So it's inside been maybe hit 80. So we're about to condense the airspace that it needs to do, take it down by like 40% less air in there because of all this stuff. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sit in this little guy because I'm a little tired and it's shady and it's not too hot. Took back a few things to Lowe's and bought a few things. That was part of the day as well. Hope you enjoyed the update. Let me know what you think.